Hi, fourth grade. Today's question is, how do you problem solve when planning art? Alrighty, fourth grade. We are going to start our final project today. We are on week 29, Mixed Media Rainforest. Before we start today, I want you guys to upload some animals or whatever it is that you want me to print for this project. So go to week 29 and you're going to see your name printed animal. And this is where you can send something over to the copy center and I'll print it for you. Give us a thumbs up once you're here. Before you add anything at all, if you could please put your name and teacher in the bottom left-hand corner. I want you to do your first and last name because we do have people with the same name in the school. Don't want to go into the wrong class. And then put your teacher. So if you're in Miss Way's class, you put Way. If you're in Miss Nelson's class, you'll put Nelson. Go ahead and put your name and teacher and give me a thumbs up. Okay, so there's a couple different ways you can print what you want. You can obviously click the image of the question mark, press replace image, and then search the web for the animal that you're thinking of. Let's say I want to do a frog. I can type in frog, find that image, and what's good about this is I'm going to print this for you, so if you want something to draw from and have that physical paper with you, you'll have that, or if you want to cut out your animal and glue it on, which is pretty easy, you can have that as well. I also left some space over here so that you could print even more images if you want. Now let's say you find an image on the internet and you want to use it. Let's say I don't want this frog here, I want a blue frog. I want a very specific blue frog. So you could search the internet for blue frog. Let's say I want this one. I would do double click, image as it will save to your computer, and then instead of replace image, search the web, you would do upload from computer. The recents, image, open, and that's how you can save something from the internet. If you really don't want to do an animal, that's fine. If you want something else for your idea, amazing. And then, like I said, if you want to print something else, like let's say I also want a butterfly. Insert image, search the web, butterfly. And then just place over here. That way I can print that for you too. I left a little bit of room so that you can have some area to add your own images. I'm gonna give you a couple minutes just to go ahead and fill this out. Give us a thumbs up when you're ready. All right, so now that we have this figured out, you guys are going to get your paper. You can leave your Chromebook open if you want, if you're gonna need it. But what I want you to do is I want you to pick the side that's going to be the back of yours. We're gonna make 2 sketches today. I like to just draw a light line going down and split it up, and you're gonna have sketch 1 and sketch 2. Give us a thumbs up once you're here. All right, before we start our sketches, let's go ahead and write our name in the bottom left-hand corner so that this doesn't get lost. We are just sketching on this side, so we don't need a class code for right now. But you guys are gonna come up with 2 ideas in about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna play a game of sticky note, musical chairs, and then decide which one you should do for your sketch. So I'm just gonna take a few minutes and come up with 2 sketches. Okay, so here's what I came up with. I know that I want to do a frog. I was gonna do a frog in the flowers or a frog on a lily pad. Notice that these are not my best drawings. These are just sketches so that we can narrow down your ideas, and next time when I open materials, you'll know exactly what you need. In a moment, I'm gonna pass out a sticky note. As you guys are working, write your name on the sticky note. At the end of 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and play a little game. That way you know maybe which sketch you wanna do, and we're gonna vote on the ones you like the most. Once we play the game, you can turn it over and then you can start doing your actual sketch. If you want to use Sharpie on this side for your composition, that's cool too. But once you've done that, you are good. You don't need to upload anything into your portfolio today. Feel free to use the internet as you please. There's lots of really good images out there. Like let's say you don't know what to do for your rainforest or wherever your animal is. You can look up rainforest drawing, rainforest painting, and you can get some ideas that way too. So just feel free to use the internet today. Today is all about planning. Hope you guys have a fun one. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with, and have a great day.